YouTube? It's your boy Mario back again with another video. And today, this is going to be my first time cooking chicken adobo. You know, I'm Filipino, favorite Filipino American. I don't really be knowing how to cook adobo, bro. I just eat that bro. I've been eating that like 17 years, man. 17 years I've been eating adobo. I've never learned how to cook, bro. Only thing I know how to cook is eggs and noodles. That's the only thing I'll be knowing how to cook. So I'm gonna be trying cooking adobo from memory, from watching my mom cook it, watching how my mom cook it. You know, her adobo tastes good. So let's see if mine's gonna taste good, bro. I'll see y'all. I'll see y'all there. All right, y'all. So the ingredients we're gonna be used to making the adobo is black pepper, some bay leaves, onion, garlic, brown sugar, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, and some chicken. Alright, man, so first we're gonna be chopping some onion. Man, I'm gonna cry. Oh shit. Oh shit. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. Yeah. My bad, bro.
One eternity later.
Oh. Alright, next we got some garlic. Now they say crushed garlic, bro. I don't really know what that means, but we just gonna crush like this. Shit, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm just gonna chop this like that. Alright, bro. I think that's good enough. Look at this chicken. Now, what would you guys like? Do y'all like the fat on your chicken, bro? I hate that, but we're gonna peel this off, man. Oh God, I've never touched like raw chicken like this before, bro. Get off, bro. Bro. This so disgusting. Get off, bro. You good? It like attached? Damn, bro. No way in hell I'm gonna use my teeth to get this off, bro.
Oh my God. Don't worry, bro. I'll wash my hands. That was a good ass workout, I'm not gonna lie. Now for the second one. Bro. Bro, come the fuck on, bro. This shit pissing me off. Yes, sir. That's number 2 done. You only about to put like 5, bro. Let me get this one. Don't worry. I'll wash my hands. I'm clean, bro. I'm not dirty. I'm not dirty, bro. I promise. Damn, bro. It's going way too damn hard. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is cage free, bro. What does that even mean? The chicken's for cageless? How does that shit make it even better, bro? This one's gonna be a tough one. Damn, bro. It's so squishy and shit. Damn, bro. Fuck. Fuck is this? I think that's a steak, bro. I don't know what that shit is. Bro, come on. Why is this one full?
First we gotta saute the onions and the garlic, bro. So we just gonna pour some of the cooking oil up in here. I think that's good enough, man. The garlic up in there, you know. Damn, bro, gonna take me like 10 minutes to find a damn like spatula or some shit, bro.
One eternity later.
Alright, right here. Alright. You know me, man. You know, like to mix it around a little bit. Wait for it to saute. You know me, man. Shit, bro. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, bro. It might turn out but, you know, at least I tried, bro. I put a hella onion in this, bro. I didn't even need to. Pretty much, bro. It looks sauteed to me, bro. So we just gonna dump our chicken in this bitch. Oh. God damn. Now I need to throw some water up in here, bro. I don't know how much water is supposed to go up in here. Alright, man. Next, we'll add some soy sauce, like that. Maybe a little bit more. Alright, shit, yeah. Now it's starting to look like adobo to me, man. Cause that soy sauce. Oh yeah. Cook it. Oh yeah. I don't know if I was supposed to be mixing it in like that, but you know what? Whatever, bro. It's my food. Now, bro, we finna use this smelly ass. I think that's good enough. Damn, bro, look at my hands smell. Now we just like, you know, whisk this shit in. Now, man, I don't know where the cover is for this pot at, bro. Everything in this house like disappearing, so we just finna do this, bro. Does that look like it belongs on there? I mean, it could, not gonna lie, it could, but I don't think it belongs on there, bro. So we just gotta wait like a minute or so, wait for it to boil. Making it boil is important, I guess. Alright, man, next ingredients, we're gonna cook it, we're gonna put some Knorr chicken. You know me, man, it's gonna make it taste like chicken. Now this, bro, this is supposed to make it taste like chicken. So just put that in there, you know, melt it, you know, move that stuff around. You know, move it around, wait for it to melt. I'm gonna make it taste like chicken, bro. Now, if it don't taste like chicken, then I'm gonna be really upset, man. Now, man, we finna put some peppercorn up in there. Don't bite into these, bro. But they're supposed to make it good, but don't bite into them, bro. If you bite into them, bro, you're gonna lose your appetite. I guarantee you, man. I guarantee you're gonna lose your appetite if you bite into them, bro. I guarantee you, bro. If you don't, man, that's crazy, man. Salute to you, bro, but I always be losing my appetite when I bite into that. So the peppercorn ruined it for me, you know? Next, man, we gotta put some bay leaves up in there, some dry bay leaves. You know, man, if I sprinkle it like money, then you gotta like stir it around. Like, you gotta stir it all around, bro. You gotta stir it all around. Chicken, so it can go inside the chicken, you know? Gotta let the broth go inside the chicken. Now, we gotta put the cover on so we can boil it for like 20 minutes, alright? For like 20 minutes. Alright, man, I forgot to update y'all, but I added some salt in. And now I'm just mixing it around, bro. It should look mighty fine, bro, no cap. It's looking pretty good, man. It's looking pretty good. Just gotta mix it around a little bit, you know. How the chef do it, kind of like in the music videos, yeah, like that, bro. You know, you gotta, you know, put this stuff on the chicken, bro. It smells great, bro. It smells great, not gonna lie. Alright, bro, just like that, man, we have completed it. We have made my first adobo, chicken adobo. It's time to try the food. Ooh. That tastes good. Not gonna lie. Tastes good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Rest in peace, Pop Smoke. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.